Yes, 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 yes. Bless the Lord, oh my soul. And forget not all his benefits. Thank you very much, praise and worship team. Them sound good, don't it? Yes, man, them sound good. Well, as many of you know, today is Baptism Sunday. Yes, a time of rejoicing in the house of the Lord. We shall be having baptism at the church today. And as the song says, we shall be going down to the river. Now hear me now. While I was getting ready to come to the house of the Lord today, I feel like a word came to me. And I said I must share it with the baptismal class today. Now there has been a video floating, somebody said floating around the internet lately. But the Bible declares that to be absent from the body is to be present with the Lord. Somebody say present. But I want to tell somebody today, I want to tell the baptismal candidates, you people, young people, who are not absent me today. None of you shall absent me today. Because when I lay your body down under the bodies of water, if you form fool of yourself and try to bring me down with you, I shall be letting go. I shall not go with you. I hear the songwriter says, I will not go. I will not go with you, my young companion. Fear thee well. Wherever the waters flow, you will go. You and your Lord. I shall not be going with you.